Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to play stay on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core chords, which are G, C, M, and D. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four shapes. Ensure each note rings out clearly as you strum. This foundational step is crucial for building muscle memory and achieving the song's signature sound. Let's get those fingers moving. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern for stay. The primary rhythm is a simple down, down, up, up, down. Focus on keeping a steady tempo as you switch between the G, C, M, and D chords. It's helpful to listen to the original track to internalize the feel and timing. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed until it feels natural and fluid. You're doing great. Now, let's add some dynamics to make your playing truly shine. Vary your strumming intensity. Play softer during the verses and more powerfully in the chorus. Try incorporating a subtle palm mute during the quieter sections for a more intimate feel. Paying attention to these nuances will help you capture the emotional depth of stay. Remember, it's not just about the notes, but how you express them. Consistent practice is key to mastering stay in any song. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice daily to build skill and confidence. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you stay in rhythm. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing stay with ease and enjoyment. Happy strumming!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.